Got a Range Rover 2009. The problem that I'm having is when you turn on the key, this flashing light, orange light be blinking and this thing staying on. So I did some research. The research I found it's not gonna work for me. I don't think it's gonna work. So this is what I did. Everyone saying that, you know, the Bluetooth right there, the fiber optic right here is not working. I mean, all you do is you tap it together. Basically, you pull this clip out right here. You looking like right there. Right there. You push this blue clip right there out. Right there. Here's the blue clip. Push it out from here. You see this red light right there? Push it out. And then you can literally pull it. You'll pull it out right here, both of this out right there. Do not bend it. And then you connect it together. I don't like the idea of that, but I mean, for testing, yes. You take this one out and then take this out and then put it together like this to the red light. And then see if it works. I did a different way. I bought this. I haven't plugged it in yet. But earlier I bought this whole, as you can see, I bought this Bluetooth device right here. And thought maybe my Bluetooth device didn't work because I saw this right here. You see this corrosion. I kind of, you know, 90% of them, you know, that might be the problem, but it wasn't the problem. So the next problem that, I mean, most likely this will work, okay? But in my case, it does not work. So what I'm thinking right now is the amplifier right here. This might be bad. So I'm gonna have to take this amplifier out and check and change another one because there's no sound. I'm gonna do a little bit more research by, you see the light flashing right there? That light right here, see that? I bought 4 of these just in case any BMW or Mercedes have this same issue. So what this thing is, you plug it in, it will go through it, make a connection with that fiber optic. I'm gonna share a link down below. So they came with a female and a male, so that's why there's 4 of them. I'm gonna plug it in like right here. So this gonna, now it's making a connection. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm back here the screen. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold this for 6 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 1 2 3 4. Well, I mean, just maybe 4 seconds. I'm gonna put the code. I'm gonna try 7550. Okay, 750. So right there, I'm gonna click on audio. See that? None of this still works. So it wasn't that piece. So it was not that. So this thing is called Harman Kardon Logic. It's a built-in amp. So most likely it's the amp is not working. So I'm gonna have to take it out and replace an amp.